You could put anything with this Alfredo sauce and it would be mind good.
First, we gotta dice up our mushrooms. We'll start by just chopping them in half. Then we're gonna dice up 3 garlic cloves. Boom. Then we're gonna cook those down with the mushrooms. Season our chicken. A binder of olive oil, extra virgin. A little bit in there. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Big pinch of salt. And a bunch of black pepper. We're gonna need a lot of Parmesan, so get shredding early. And make sure you shred it. If you buy the store-bought, it's not gonna be as good. I'm telling you now. Test to see if your pan's ready. Yep, she's ready. A little beef tallow. It's got a high smoke point. A healthy version of all your crap oils. Only need a little bit. We're gonna put a little olive oil in the pan. Then we're gonna sear our chicken. After a few minutes, we're gonna have a nice crust on them when we flip them. That's what you're looking for right there. Ooh, baby. Salt in that pasta water. After you remove your chicken from the pan, add some butter and deglaze it. Then we're gonna saute our mushrooms and our garlic. Let those cook down. We'll remove it, and it's gonna be time to make our sauce, our Alfredo sauce. We're gonna put this whole thing into the pan. Once your butter gets melted down a little bit like this, we're gonna add our whipping cream. Make sure it's real good stuff. The only ingredients in this is organic cream. That's what you want. Give it a little taste test. Yep, that's good shit right here. Salt and pepper to taste. And then give that a mix. Once it starts bubbling like this, we want to slowly incorporate our Parmesan cheese. You're eventually going to use all of your Parmesan cheese. Oh, that's damn good.
Oh my goodness.
The water's boiling, add your pasta to the pot. We're letting you in on our dirty little secret, little lemon juice.
Shout out Ellie.
And that's how you make chicken Alfredo.
Cheers.
Fuck yeah. That's delicious.
I think I would go 10. It's so good.
This is delicious. That chicken's got a nice crisp to it.
Mm-hmm.